Hello in the next episode. In today's video I'm going to repair Nintendo Switch which came in for the no power. So let's fix it. Alright, so this is my Nintendo Switch. When I press the power button, nothing happens, it's dead. When I plug the charger is tripping out at the moment. The charger doesn't work at all. Probably we've got a surge on the motherboard. This is actually a really good tool if you want to check which pins are not connected or which pins are shorted. It will show you straight away. So we can see that the pin number 4 and pin number 4 from other side. So this is like a power pin which goes 5 and 15 volts. Let me check the charging port. From this side looks good. From this side we can see some signs of corrosion, but the pins are okay. So let's quickly disassemble this console. What can be wrong? Alright, so the power management chip looks good. Here, maybe this is not a FLUKE, maybe this was the signs from the thermopad, sorry. You have no problem here. Nothing. Alright, so next step, because we cannot see any problems here or here, I will just replace the charging port first. So 470 degrees. So from this point of view, I can only tell that all parts and traces they are in good condition. So let's check this now. Port is soldered properly. I will check first with this tool. Was it just the charging port or something else is wrong on the motherboard? And now, as you can see, that was only the charging port issue, but I was thinking, maybe this is some problem on the motherboard. So now if I take my charger, I plug it in. Oh, I just need to, you know, unplug it from the wall, unplug it back, and now should be right. Yeah. The same on the other side, flip it over. Alright, looks good. I just need to check the continuity on this first filter. Just need to make sure it will work, you know, on the TV. So let's check this now. It's a beep mode. It's beeping here. Beeping. Let's check 3.3 volts. Looks good. Looks good to me. Alright, so let me just quickly assemble it back. Alright, so let's try it now. Everything is plugged. And yes, we got a charging sign. Okay, flip it over. Alright, so the switch is fully working. It charge 51%, should be right. It works on the TV. Alright, so the switch, as you could see, is working fine. I thought it was going to be more complicated, but sorry for that. It's just the charging port, yeah, issue. Alright, but next time I will find something more interesting. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.